Knagglig box by IKEA are basic pine boxes that can be used in tons of ways. And today I'd like to share some ideas on IKEA boxes and ways to hack or use them at home. They can be hacked in various ways and used for storage or used in IKEA or other furniture to complete it. How? Take a look. 1. This simple rustic storage wall unit made of Knagglig boxes attached to each other is a very fast DIY. 2. A suspended Knagglig box in the bathroom for storing towels is a simple craft. In my opinion, this is a very extraordinary idea. It looks elegant. 3. This color block Knagglig box placed on wooden legs can become a cool plant stand. Simple but interesting idea. 4. A stained and printed Knagglig box on casters makes up a chic bedside table, which is also mobile. 5. Simple white Knagglig boxes attached to each other and placed on the table as an easy storage unit. 6. An open storage unit made up of Knagglig boxes stacked on each other or attached to each other. 7. A whitewashed Knagglig box storage unit is a comfy idea for many interior styles. I love this one. 8. This modern bookshelf composed of IKEA Knagglig boxes and placed on legs is a cute and easy DIY. 9. A stained Knagglig box placed on casters is a stylish and mobile furniture piece to rock. A very interesting idea to try. 10. Knagglig boxes painted in bright colors inside and attached to the wall as open storage items. 11. A corner shelf unit made of Knagglig boxes painted inside and stenciled outside and attached to each other. 12. This creative coffee table with plenty of storage made of several dark-stained IKEA Knagglig boxes. 13. A simple and stylish cat bed made of a couple of Knagglig boxes and some faux fur. Cat lover must try to DIY this one. 14. An outdoor bar made up of several painted Knagglig boxes and of a wooden top is a cute idea. Do you agree? 15. Knagglig boxes placed on colorful casters and with colorful upholstered seats is a fun idea. 16. An IKEA Knagglig box storage unit for various stuff is an easy and fast DIY for every space. 17. A large shelving unit made of several IKEA Knagglig boxes is a great storage piece for a contemporary space. 18. This Knagglig box painted gray and attached to the wall makes up a cool floating bedside table and saves floor space. 19. A Knagglig box with letters and on pink legs can be used as a cute storage piece for a kid's room. 20. White Knagglig boxes attached to the wall make up cool toy and book storage easily. What a brilliant idea!